Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Acha, only you will have to write the answers. Okay. Acha, before that, let me mute all of you. Huh? Just wait for a minute. Acha, now look. For today's date, okay. Red color. Twenty-fifth of August. Write CW, page number 31 of computer, okay? All of you write this one. Write computer. Acha, page number 31, only question answers today I will solve as I told you. Number D. Question number 1. No need to write the questions, huh? No need to write the question. The first question is, what is an output device? That answer. Acha, as I explained already while I was taking the class, all you know. Yes, to Pushpak, you know to what is an output device? Okay, but you have to write the answer by arranging the statement, huh? So just write the answer. The device which shows us what information result. Yes, the information or the result. Is known as output device. Is called output device. Completed, Pushpak? Atrika? Yes, okay. Now the second one. Let me read the question first. All of you look at the book, page number 31, second question. Name any two output device. Name any two output devices, right? You can give the name printer, then speakers, monitor. Yes, so name any two. Just write the name. So write the answer in full form. Two output devices are monitor and printer. Write this one first. printer. Arisha, Anurag, Shuprit, completed? Good. Rishit, where are you? I cannot see you properly. Acha, okay, you are there. Okay, okay. Devi, Devattam, Riddhima, done to? Not done. Okay, okay, Devi, no problem. No issue. Right, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, write it. Shuhana, completed. Yes, ma'am. Okay, good. Acha, you can raise your hand. Those who have completed, they can send me that hand raise sticker. They can raise the hand, huh? So that I can start from question number 3. Those who have completed, they can send me that hand raise sticker. Question number 3. Third one is given. Name any 3 input devices. Any 3 input devices, okay? So many input devices, you know, mouse, keyboard, yes, scanner, microphone. So any 3. Just write 3. Input, acha, just wait for a minute. Input. Three input devices are keyboard, put a comma, mouse, and microphone you can take, okay? Or scanner, whatever. Acha, Otrika, keep your camera on. Otrika. Alvira, you are writing too? Okay. Now the fourth one. What is a scanner? What do you mean by scanner? I explained to yesterday. Now just write the definition in 1 or 2 line, okay? By arranging the statement, right? A scanner is an is an optical device that reads a printed page that reads a printed page. that reads a printed page and also convert it into a graph and converts it to a graphic image for the computer. Graphic image for the computer. For the computer. Write this one first. All of you are able to see the screen too. The handwriting is clear too. You understand it too very well. Yes. Then Shuprit, Anubhav, you understand too. Okay, good. A scanner is an optical device that reads a printed page and converts it to a graphic image for the computer. कौन जाना? Pushpak completed 3 and 4. Those who have completed, they can send hand raise sticker. Acha, for these 4 questions, I'll check the copy. Those who have completed, their copy I'll check. The name I'm calling one by one. Basically, how to use the printer. Question number 5, what are the uses of printer? Just like write using printer using printer we can make reports or report card like this, okay? Like reports, project, reports, project, 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 and many other things. Okay, then the first statement. Now the next one, we can also print greetings card, photos, designs, okay, with it. And in the next para, right? Stop here in the next para, okay, next paragraph. We can also print important data, photos, put a comma, greeting cards, and designs with it. With it. The words are properly visible too. Alvira, you can understand the words too. Any letter or word you can. Okay, okay. Complete it first, then I will have to complete 2 more questions. Anurag, done? Mohammad Tarsid, where are you? I am waiting for 2 minutes. Okay, after that I'll start 6 and 7. Now question number 6. What? The question is, what are 2 basic types of monitors? What are they? Aditya, Shuprit, 2 basic types of monitors, CRT and LCD though. Okay, so write the answer. CRT, LCD. Now the 7th one. What is a microphone and which software does it need? There are 2 questions in question number 7. First, we have to write what is a microphone software does it need? I'm writing the answer. For the first one, I'm writing the answer, okay? So just make a bullet. It is an instrument used to put sound into the computer. Now the next one. Make another bullets, 2 bullets, and this is the second part of the question, okay? Which software does it need? Aratrika, are you writing or not? And Mohammad Tarsid? sound recording software is used for it, right? Sound Acha, let me write the recording in the second line. Huh? IN G. Completed should be done. Aratrika, Pushpa, Kanura. This G will be here, huh? R is got it though. Now